Hey guys, it's the straddletrader.com here, and I want to talk today a little bit about implied volatility. Implied volatility can be seen as how cheap or how expensive option prices are. When implied volatility is low, option prices are cheap. When implied volatility is high, option prices become expensive. Option traders can profit from implied volatility by buying options when implied volatility is low. The only problem is that we don't know how low implied volatility really is. In reality, what I think is low can always go lower. I know in several trades I've placed over the years, I thought implied volatility was at a low and it seemed just to go even lower. So what I did to combat this is I created my very own straddle trading indicator, and you can see it up here. And it consists of a blue line, which is implied volatility, and a purple line, which is historical volatility. Now, we're just going to be using implied volatility for this example, but every time implied volatility reaches 1, 2, or below, then we usually get a bottom in implied volatility. And I highlighted every time this happened. Every time this indicator got below 2, maybe to 1, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instances. And if you look down here on the chart, it called the bottom every single time in implied volatility. Every single time this thing got to 2 or lower, we had a low in implied volatility. So how do we use this? We're going to go ahead and just buy options, preferably a straddle, when the indicator gets below 2. That way you could profit from either the call or the put option when the options rise in value. Now let's go ahead and take a look at another chart. We have, let's go look at Bank of New York Mellon. I'm sorry, Disney. That's what I highlighted it for. And I highlighted them again. Here again, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times this indicator has gotten below 2 in implied volatility, and we've seen a bottom in implied volatility. You can look down here on the chart. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, 4. We had a nice rise right there. Here's 5. Called a bottom there. 6, 7, 8. Every time it was a good time to buy options because they were cheap. Now you can find this indicator at my website at thestraddletrader.com. Alright, thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.